Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a charged 18V battery is seated and the blade guard is in place. This protects you and the motor. Once done, flip the main power switch and wait 3 to 5 seconds for the unit to initialize. The status LED will indicate readiness. You should also set the mode dial to ECO for first runs. This prevents overheating and lets you confirm controls respond. Make sure to feel the safety interlock click before you proceed to cutting. You now configure the Attack Shark X3 Pro for precise cutting by setting speed and depth. First, choose a speed between 1 and 5, pick 3 for balanced torque and control. Next, adjust the depth stop to your material thickness and tighten the locking knob. This prevents drift mid-cut. Once configured, make a quick test cut on scrap so you can visually verify the kerf and adjust speed or depth if needed. If vibration appears, reduce speed and retighten mounts. You finish by powering down and removing the battery before any blade or guard work. Safety first. Then clean sawdust from vents and the blade housing to maintain cooling and accuracy. Inspect blade teeth for wear and replace if dull. If the unit stalls or yawns under load, reduce cutting speed, check the battery gauge, and clear any jammed chips. Most stalls are caused by overload or clogged vents. If problems persist, swap batteries and repeat the test cut to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.